Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to enable slide to shut down your PC. Those with Windows 10 tablets or touchscreen computers have a cool slide to shut down feature, but the capability is hidden within any PC running the operating system. There are a few different ways to run the feature as an executable file, but creating a desktop shortcut probably makes the most sense here. Pay attention closely in order not to be lost during the process. Here is how you can do it. Right-click on the desktop and select New, then Shortcut. In the ensuing pop-up window, type howto shutdown as the location of the file. Rename the file and click Finish to create a clickable icon on your desktop. Now right-click the file and select Properties. Enter a key in the shortcut key box and click Apply. You can then double-click on the shortcut or enter your keyboard shortcut to prompt a pull-down shade to appear. Use your mouse to drag the shade down to the bottom of the screen to turn off your computer. An important thing to know is that keep in mind that this is a shutdown, not sleep. Once you drag down the shade, then your PC will automatically shut down. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.